Hello guys, if you wanna set up event to your calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, for the first you have to go to your calendar, and as you can see our calendar is here. This is Samsung brand application, and we can go for the Monday and click on the marker. Here we have to enter the title. Mine will be Hard Reset. And you can also adjust here location, nows, you can invite people, time, repeat. So if you set up everything, just click here, here, and click on the save. And as you can see, here is our event. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.